how to remove the given number. Given number was like 13. How to remove the given number from the array. Suppose given number was 13. Through the index of operator, we have find out index of given number. So let's run this program and see the output. Index of this given number is 3. We found index of number 13 is 3. Now we want to remove this given number 13 from this array. So how we can remove the given number 13 from this array? So what we can do, we can run through this, we can traverse through this array. So we don't need to traverse these many elements. Since we found the index of given number using index of operator, so we can start traversing the array from the index itself. Var I equal to index. Initially I will be 3 because we found the index of the I, and 3 less than array dot length. Array dot length is 6. Okay, because we have 6 elements in the array, so array dot length will be 6. And so what we can do, we can do array of I equal to array of I plus 1. Array of I plus 1. So we are updating the values. So initially array will be like this. Initially it will be 10, it will be 11, it will be 12, and here we are. So initially I will be 3 and 3 less than 6. This condition is true. So we will execute this line of code. Array of I is 3, array of I is 13 equal to array of I plus 1. I is 3, 3 plus 1 4, array of I plus 1 will be 14. So 13 will be replaced by the next number 14. So it will become 14. Okay. And so we will increment the I. So I will become 4. 4 less than 6, it is true. So I will be at the 4th index here, and array of I is 4, 14. I is 4, I plus 1 will be 5, here 5. Array of I plus 1 is 15, and we are array of I equal to array of I plus 1. Here we are replacing number 14 with the 15th number. Okay, this is done, and we will execute this I plus 1. So I will become 5. 5 lesser than 6. Yeah, this condition is still true. 5 is lesser than 6. And so I will become 5. I will be here. So here what we are doing, array of I will be 5 and I plus 1 will be 6 only. Here 6. What we are doing here, array of I equal to array of I plus 1. So array of I plus 1, array of 6 will be undefined. It will be undefined because we don't have any value in this array at the 6th index. Okay, so array of 6 will be undefined, and we are trying to replace this 5th index element with the undefined. So it will print undefined. If we run this program and if we see the output, then it will print like this, console.log. So let's run this program and see the output. It is printing 3, index of number 13, and it is printing a array of printing the array after removing 13 number element. So 10 is present, 11 12, 13 is removed. Okay, 14 15, then we have undefined. So we don't want undefined also in this array, because we wanted to remove this number 13 and we want output should be 10 11 12 14 then 15. We don't want undefined in this array. So what we can do, so we don't need to run this for loop till last index. We can run this for loop till the second last index. Okay, so we can apply this condition here, -1. Okay, array dot length -1. Only we need to run this program till second last index. Okay, let's again traverse through this array. So initially I was 3 only. We were here. Initially I was 3. First we will execute this line of code. Suppose earlier it was like that. Initially I was 3, index was 3. Okay, so I was 3 only. I equal to 3, and 3 lesser than array dot length, then we have -1, so it will become 5. We are traversing through this array till the 5th index only, and array of 5 equal to array of I plus 1. Array of I is 13, I plus 1 is 14, so it will become 14. And then we are incrementing I plus plus, so I will become 4. 4 less than 5, this condition is true. I is 4 right now. I is 4. So this 4 less than 5, this condition is true. So this line of code will be executed in the for loop. Array of I is 14. Array of I plus 1 is 5, and array of I plus 1 is 15. So we are replacing 14 number with the 15. So here we will have number 15. So after executing this line of code, I plus plus 1, I plus plus happen. So I will become 5, and I will be here at the last index of this array, and 5. So 5 lesser than 5, this condition is false. It means we want to traverse through this array till the second last element only, till the second last index only. Okay. So 5 less than 5, this condition is false. So this line of code will not be executed. So our array will be this thing only. 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, then again 15. See, because this at 5th index 15 will be present. This 5th index 15 is present. If we run this program, and then we will see 15 number 2 times. See, 15, 15, it is 2 times. Okay, we have removed number 13, 13 is gone, but we have number 15 2 times. So what we can do, we can update array length of this array dot length equal to, so this number will be gone now, last number will be gone, our new array will be this thing only, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, this 15 will be gone. Okay, because we have updated length of this array. So if we run this program, then 15 will not be printed 2 times. Okay, let's run this program and see the output. 10, 12, we have removed the 13 number, 14, 15. Okay, so now length of this array is 5. 5 elements are present in this array since we have removed the number 13. Okay, so it is working fine. This is how we can remove any given number in this array. Okay, suppose if we wanted to remove the 15th number 15th, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 will be printed. Let's run this program and see the output. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 will be printed. If we wanted to remove the number 10, given number is 10. Let's run this program and see the output. See, number 10 is removed. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is printed. Okay. Suppose we wanted to remove number 11. Let's run this program and see the output. 10, 11 is removed, 12, 13, 14, 15 is printed. So what we can do, we can put these conditions into the functions. We can have this functionality, removing an element from the array functionality into a function. So function. So this function, in this function, we are providing array and we are providing index. Okay. Name of this function is nothing but remove the value at the given index. Here we found the index of given number 13, given index is 3. We are passing the index. Here index we are using an array, and we can call this function. We are calling this function, and in this function we are passing the argument as an array and index. Okay, so let's run this program and see the output. So see, number 13 is removed. If we pass number 15, suppose if we pass number 15, then also it should remove number 15. Let's run this program and see the output. Number 15 is removed. And if we pass number 12, then 12 will be removed. See, 11, then 13, 12 is removed. If we pass number 10, then 10 will be removed. See, 10 is gone. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Suppose if we pass number 20. So for 20, what will happen? index will be -1 because 20 number is not present in this array. So we will start our I equal to -1 and -1 lesser than 5. So this condition is true, -1 lesser than 5, and we will start updating our current index number with the next number, and we don't want. If we run this program, then what it will do, it will print like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 only, and we don't want that because we can't remove number 20 from this array because number 20 is not present in the array. So this is wrong. See, this is wrong. This is wrong, and we don't want to do this. Okay. So what we can do, how we can handle this, is greater than equal to 0. Only perform this functionality if the given index is greater than equal to 0. Okay. For the number 20, index will be -1. Okay. Index of will give us -1 because 20 number is not present in this given array. So array will be passed in the function as in this parameter, and index will be passed. Index will be -1, and -1 greater than equal to 0. It is false. It is false. So this for loop will not be executed. These lines of code will not be executed because this condition will become false. -1 greater than equal to 0. This condition will be false. So it means we can't remove number 20 from this array because this number 20 is not present in this array. So our original array will remain same. Okay. So -1 for the number 20, -1 is the index, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All the numbers are present in the array because we have not removed any element from the array. And suppose we want to remove the number 13. For number 13, index will be 3. So index will be 3. So 3 is greater than equal to 0. So these lines of code will be executed, and we will be able to remove number 13 from this array. So see, 13 is removed. Suppose we wanted to remove number 10. Number 10. So index for this number 10 will be 0. So index will be 0, 0 greater than equal to 0. This condition will be true. So these lines of code will be executed, and number 10 will be removed from this array. So 10 is removed. Okay. So this function is perfectly working fine. We can suppose we can change the name of this function like ABC, and we can call this function ABC. We can give any name to this function. Still it will work fine. Okay. And we can name this function as splice function, and we can call this function with the splice function name. Okay, let's run this program and see the output. The splice function 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 because number 10 is removed. Okay, it's working fine. Remove the number 13. So this will be like this. 3 number 13 is removed. Now suppose in array we have the inbuilt function called splice to remove any value in the given array, and splice can accept some parameters like index of the given number. Index of the given number is 0. Suppose we want to remove number 10 from this array. So index is 0. From the 0 index we want to remove only one number. So 10 will be removed. Let's run this program and see the output. Initially we will remove 13 number. So 13 is removed. And now after executing these lines of code, at line number 23 we want to remove number 10 also. So 10 will be removed. So let's run this program and see the output. So initially number 13 is removed. See, 13 is gone because we are removing number 13. Now at line number 23 we are removing number 10 also. We have provided 0, index of the 10 number 0, number of elements we want to remove. We want to remove only one element from the 0th index, so 10 is gone. Okay. So we can remove our inbuilt function, our user defined function, and we can use this predefined function. Suppose we wanted to remove number 13. Okay, number 13, and index of number 13 we can find from this index of operator, index of function. So we can provide the index we wanted to remove number 13, so 13 will be removed. Let's run this program and see the output. So we are saying remove the number at this index from this index and remove only one element. From the 13 number, only remove one element. Suppose we want to remove number 15, so we will provide number 15. So first we will find index of the number 15 and we will provide the index here. So 15 will be removed. Let's run this program and see the output. 15 is removed.